Gonna be from my county? No, it's not.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Southeast Hartford, Maryland. Coastal flood warning in effect until 11 p.m. this evening. 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level expected in low-lying areas due to tidal flooding. The areas affected include shoreline in Southeast Hartford County. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 11 p.m. this evening, especially around the time of high tide. Impacts at 5.5 feet, more than a foot of water covers portions of the Heber de Grace Basin and Hutchins Park. Water reaches the bottom of the Marina office at the yacht basin. Additional details, tides up to 3 feet above normal. The next high tide at Heber de Grace is at 3:45 p.m. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Now for the official National Weather